This is 50 yards. This is a Glock 19. That's 2 of 5 rounds. Only had 5 rounds loaded. Only put 2 of them on the paper. Forget this right here. I'm actually aiming at this point here, and I'm just using the paper as the target. I don't care where it goes. It's all combat effective to me. These 2 at 50 yards, you know, does the job. Again, 50 yards, Glock 17. A little bit better. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5 at 50 yards. Slowing down, taking my time. A little bit better. Ten rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 out of 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17.